Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with weight and think you need money to start your journey, think again. Today, I'm showing you how to lose weight in just 7 days for absolutely $0. That's right, no gym, no diet pills, no paid up programs. Just real, free, practical strategies that work. Let's jump into it. Part 1, why this works. You don't need fancy tools to lose weight. You need 3 things. A calorie deficit, consistent movement, better habits. This 7-day plan will help you naturally burn fat using free workouts, simple food, and routines that reset your body. Let's break it all down. Part 2, free meal plan. First up, food because abs are made in the kitchen. Basic rules to follow. Eat 3 simple meals a day. No processed sugar. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Stop eating by 7:30 p.m. Day template. Morning, lemon water. Jumpstarts metabolism. Breakfast, oats with banana or boiled eggs and fruit. Lunch, rice, plus lentils or beans, plus veggies. Snack, apple or handful of peanuts. Dinner, vegetable soup or salad with a boiled egg. Use what you have. This isn't about perfection, it's about simplicity and consistency. Part 3, no equipment workout plan.
Next, let's get your body moving. Workout plan, 15-20 min day. Day 1 and 4, jumping jacks. 2 mins bodyweight squats. 15 reps. Push-ups, knees if needed. 10 reps. Plank, 30 seconds. Repeat 3 rounds. Day 2 and 5, walk outside or march in place, 30 minutes. Free cardio, fat burner. Day 3 and 6, leg raises. 15 reps. Mountain climbers, 30 bicycle crunches, 15 reps each side, repeat 3 rounds. Day 7, stretching plus. Rest day, body recovery, fat loss too. These are short but powerful. Don't skip a day, just modify if you need to. Part 4, daily routine that burns fat. Here's what your ideal day could look like on this plan. Wake up at 6:30, 7:30 a.m. Hydrate immediately, at least 2 cups of water. Do your 15-minute workout. Eat clean and light meals. Avoid snacking. Walk after each meal, 5 to 10 minutes. No screen time 1 hour before bed. Sleep 7-8 hours. Weight loss needs rest. These habits not only help you lose weight, they also reduce bloating, cravings, and stress. Part 5, mindset plus motivation. Here's the truth. This plan is only 7 days, but it can change your whole mindset. The scale might drop 5 to 10 pounds, but the real win is learning that you have control and you don't need money to start.
Free, realistic, no excuses. So here's your challenge, start today. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more real fitness tips. Share this with a friend who needs a kickstart. See you next week, and remember, if you stay consistent, you won't need motivation. Let's get it.